Welcome to Wisconsin DMV's two-part video series on how to request collector plates. In this first video, we will be discussing what collector license plates are, the qualifications required to get them, and the steps to order them. Please see the Part 2 video on how to complete the application for collector plates. Collector plates are non-expiring license plates for vehicles that are 20 model years old or older, and they have no permanent structural changes. Vehicles with collector plates remain in their original manufactured state, although different paint or decals are allowed. Wisconsin DMV's website, wisconsindmv.gov/collector, explains which types of alterations are allowed to obtain a collector plate. DMV accepts applications for collector license plates beginning in November for models that turn 20 years old in January. Applications submitted before November will be returned. A collector vehicle has two unique requirements. First, it cannot be operated in the month of January. An exception can be made for one consecutive 5-day temporary plate. Complete Form MV 2750, Collector Temporary License Plate Application, and submit it with a $5 fee by November to ensure it is completed in time for your need in January. The second unique requirement is that each applicant must have another vehicle currently registered in Wisconsin with renewable license plates. This is called a daily driver. Having registration of another vehicle in the name of a spouse or same-sex domestic partner is an acceptable substitute. A vehicle provided by a business as a daily driver is also acceptable, but a note on business letterhead must be submitted with the application. If the vehicle collector plates are being applied for in the name of a non-individual, such as a business or a trust, a daily driver must be in the name of that non-individual, the owner of the business, or the name of a trustee. Check the vehicle's brand, noted on the title, to confirm that it qualifies as a collector plate and not a hobbyist. The vehicle cannot have a disqualifying brand, for example, being salvage, or a brand that requires a different plate type, such as street modified or reconstructed. If the title for your vehicle has brands of non-USA standard and/or no op Wisconsin road, then collector plates are the only license plates the vehicle can have. Collector plates can be issued for motorcycles, mopeds, automobiles, trucks from 4,500 pounds up to 80,000 pounds, buses, motorhomes, and truck tractors. If your vehicle is model year 1996 or newer and kept in a Wisconsin county that requires an emissions test, complete an emissions test within 45 days of the issuance of the collector plates. Failure to pass this test will result in the plates being suspended, and the vehicle cannot be legally operated until the test is passed. Collector plates must be taken off the vehicle and kept by the owner when sold to someone else. To transfer an entire collector series to a new owner, you must provide a signed note stating you are transferring your entire series and state the name of the new owner. Note your collector series numbers, which is the first plate in your series without an alpha suffix. The series will no longer be yours, and you will need to pay for a new series if you want collector plates in the future. The new owner of the series will need to submit the signed statement with their collector plate application and fees. They will need to pay the $50 issuance fee with their first transaction. If your vehicle meets all these qualifications for a collector plate, your next step is to apply. The next video will help you through the application process. Thank you for viewing. Check out other helpful Wisconsin DMV videos or visit wisconsindmv.gov.